spell bone?
Bone.
Well done. Spell
Wheel.
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 How do you spell car?
No, just to back out louder. But Look, the cogs spinning round to dig the letters.
Is it?
Yes.
How do you spell bus?
Bus.
But how do you spell it though?
Bus.
Oh, it's looking at us. Should we go and see it? Quickly, it's moving away. Let's say hello to the cow. Wow. Do you want to feed it, Mama?
Does Iris want?
His hand's a bit little, I don't want it getting stuck in there. Oh, you need to put more strength into that.
Yeah, it's long.
Oh yeah, that is long.
Thank you, sayang.
Oh, it's licking itself. You just throw it through. Look here, girl. Ah. There's a lot of grass there.
That long walks.
Long grass. You want me to do it? Okay. You hold it sideways next to its mouth. Here, let me get some for you.
Yeah.
There. Hold it at the very end. He's got a long tongue, very end. Then put it sideways because his tongue curls up and gets it.
Crunchy.
You have to pull out right. Go for the long grass.
Oh, I thought it was long.
That is long.
You want some?
You have to go closer.
Can he bite?
Only by accident. Look, you've got to get long grass like this, deep down. Ooh. Give it a good old yank.
It's that long.
Yeah.
It's getting fun. Inside it, there was a little wall house.
Oh yeah. I think a bird has been living in there, like.
And the baby and the nest and the babies and the ball.
Yeah.
The baby board
And
and the mama board
And some people have been
And-
ripping it away for some
and-
reason. To have a look, I guess.
and
Can you see the roots in this tree?
and this tunnel is dark than the big tunnel. What's that? What?
Aris, look. There's a tree that's fallen over behind you. Can you see down there?
Where's Robin?
He saw you coming and he went away.
Robin's not eating this.
Robin's down here.
Robin's
Just
still.
by the tree. Can you see him? Oh, he flew away.
We'll leave it there until Robin's.
Okay, don't touch those plants. Okay, don't. Careful. There, come on.
And sometimes Mama or Mama's dandelion and wave like that. And one fall down there. and down the and down this and walk and down this and this down this and down this.
Was that for me? Thank you. Shall we see if we run really fast, do you think all the dandelion leaves will come off?
No.
Oh.